Hello everyone. Hello. How is everyone going? How are you? How is everyone? Welcome to one more live stream. Welcome. Nice to see you. Wild sell off during the opening, of course. It is weird, but logical at the same time. We must not forget that we have huge geopolitical news around the corner. So it is logical what's going on. Also, don't forget that we are witnesses of a huge expansion of the markets. It is logical that they need, of course, to pull back at some point. How is everyone? Nice to see you. Hi, Luis. Hello. Hello. Remind me the Climney Travel. I can't remember the name. You told it to me yesterday. I forgot it. Sorry. Before the market open, let's hello Linda, nice to see you. Before the markets will open, I'm going to do a quick review. Look what we have over here. We have already a triangle that formed. Look over here. We have this triangle that formed. You see, took this liquidity. Of course, the overall triangle is this big one that, of course, we expect it to get filled. But I won't be surprised if I see after this liquidity taken a small pullback of price, find resistance at this 1 hour inverted fair value gap. That will be our invalidation level. What do I mean by that? If I see, of course, price break with a body this 1 hour inverted fair value gap, my bias will be again bullish. For now, I'm exclusively bearish. Of course, not only because of the order flow, but because price is forming a clear bearish expansion model. Here, of course, is our Asian DR. Congratulations to Lemons. I see he took a really nice Asian DR breakout. He's an Asian trader, so he took a really nice trade from here. Really nice expansion from the low side. Price pulled back. Also, I saw Liat took a similar trade like this one. Of course, the move is much more bigger. We are already 1.5% down for the day. I don't have a lot of hope that we're going to see any kind of pullback, but we would like to see a little pullback so we can be able, of course, to take to go with the overall trend. Klembo, yes, you are right, Klembo. I will try to remember this. I promise, my friend. Hello, Monica. Hello, Abo Fall Trades. Hello, my friend. Hello, Ken. Nice to see you, mate. How is everyone going? How is your day so far? How is your day so far? It's okay. Markets have officially opened. We always leave the first 15 minutes to play out. The ideal scenario I would like to see will price to pull back, consolidate a little bit, and take a really nice continuation from here. This is the ideal scenario I would like to say because I wouldn't like the idea, my friends. Look how overextended the markets is. If the markets continue to go down and we have a bearish confirmation based on DR, I wouldn't like the idea to take a short because it is high overextended. Okay. Yes, it is a high probability. It will be a high probability if price, of course, continues to go down. But don't forget how much we are overextended. Okay. No, you're welcome, my friend Clembo. No trades yet. Have alerts to go short if there is a pullback. Yes, I would like I really love the idea of a pullback. Although I'm not seeing what I want to see. For some reason, we can't see the dollar be strong for no reason in general. It's really weird why this is going on. But we are patient to see what will happen. Hello, Pat. Nice to see you. How was your opening scalp did today? We are doing very, very well. Basically, waiting for the market to open to see what, of course, the market's opened. We are very curious to see what will happen. Amazing 1K. I'm so happy for you, Pat. Such a successful strategy you got over there. I'm so happy for you. Yes, amazing. It is amazing, Monica. I agree. We agree. She's doing an amazing work. Okay, more sell off. Probably going for these equal lows over here. As I said, I don't like completely the idea. Monica says, I got one to one on Happy Trail this morning. Amazing. Well done. This is the idea. Amazing, my friends. Fantastic news, says Luis. Looking forward to your demo. Yes. I'm also curious to see. Pleatly, how are you? I'm doing very, very well, my friends. My friend, thanks for asking, Pleatly. Pitly. Thanks so much for asking. I'm doing amazing. I had work in the morning, of course, in the fast food. So everything is going very, very well. A little bit tired, but I'm used to it. This is what I do every day. So I'm quite used to it. Trying to fix things a little bit over here. Okay. So happy. Ken says fighting with FOMO with his move down. Yes, I'm also full of FOMO, my friend Ken. I know how you feel. I know how you feel, mate. Pat says such a bearish market seen yesterday. Yes, extremely bearish. It is a huge pullback. Imagine that price has shifted. Let me erase these so they don't annoy us. Price has shifted, my beloved friends, from the last high 6.7%. It is huge. It is huge, my friends. The truth is that taking just a continuation going down will help a lot. But okay, it is what it is. Abdul says, how do you pick which strategy you want to hit the market? Is it something you settle with, or are there indicators or behaviors that encourage you to take a certain strategy? Well, first of all, my beloved friend, I don't know if you are a member of TTF or not. If you are not member, of course, of TTF, link in the description. You will find the link, trdfloor.com, and you can be member, of course, of TTF and see over 2.5 years of videos that I have done myself explaining my personal strategy. But a way. Oh, you are a proud member. I'm very happy. I'm very happy for you, Abdul. So let me explain how is the proper way, first of all, to create an edge that everyone must do. You are hearing from a guy, from a crazy guy from Greece, like me, talking you about a concept. And what concept I'm talking to you all the time? I'm talking about DRIDR. Yes, yes. You hear the information from the crazy guy from Greece, you go to your charts, and you study, backtesting, if what that crazy guy is telling me is true. If the concept that I teach you all, or you hear from a video another crazy guy from YouTube, you go, you put the work, see if that is a true edge. I'm not talking about entry models, my beloved friend. I'm talking about true edges. An entry model can be anything from from an amazing indicator from TTF, a price action, whatever you want. The true edge is not the way that you're executing a trade. A true edge is the concept that you're using in order to determine your bias or how you can identify certain levels on the markets. So, when you put down the work and prove to yourself, not believing me from the first moment, that this works and you have data for it, then you have 80% of your strategy. And of course, I make it even more better, my personal way, using an entry with an indicator of TTF. I have approved edge, DRIDR concepts, and then I use the indicator for my entry. So it can be even more sniper entry and more mechanical. And because Abdul, you are a member of TTF, please go to the Profit League testimonies and see all my entries from the beginning of this month. It's a really nice proof how I enter the markets. I hope that I covered your answer, my beloved friend. And some things, of course, come from experience. Okay, the way that I determine my bias, I have done, of course, so many videos. I have introduced how to find your daily bias based on DR concepts. I have explained, I have introduced how to create your daily bias using ICT concepts, and of course, understanding completely the order flow. All of this, and you must put the time to for sure try to understand them, because I know I am not the best. My English aren't the best, I know, but take your time. And of course, if you have any questions, that's why we are the most supportive community out there. You can ping me and I will answer whatever question you have. As I said previously, whoever is not member of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com. Go to the website, see what we offer. Earn as you learn program. Amazing opportunity for everyone to earn some extra profits, especially if you are a beginner trader. Amazing opportunity, trade ideas. Me, Bear, and Jay, of course, take these trade ideas, expand them even more, especially in our private live streams. We go through what open trades, what open trade ideas we have, and we expand the ideas even more for you guys that, of course, are trading prop firms, so you can able to take advantage of the trade ideas. And of course, you can't forget the amazing package of indicators, thousands of hours of education, or so many concepts, so many content that it is for each trader that can find what suits him for sure. Abdul says, yes, you did a great job answering. Thanks, Alex. You're welcome, my friend Abdul. My friend, I'm so happy that I was able to help you. We are having our pullback, our desired pullback that we wanted. I'm so happy for this. We forgot to check, of course, the other two indices, what they are doing. Okay, we don't have an SMT. Now we are having a bearish SMT with Dow Jones. Look, one high, higher high. What is Dow Jones doing over here? Lower low. So if price comes to our 1 hour inverted fair value gap or the London DR levels, I would love to take a short from here. I won't lie to you. I'm eyeballing this like a hawk. Why? Because we have, as I said, also an SMT. Also, traders that have ICT traders that have been involving with the quarterly theory. This is a sequential SMT, a hidden sequential and SMT that we count only the bodies. Here we are creating higher highs. These are two different 90-minute cycles. Okay. Now this 5-minute hasn't formed. When it forms, we will see if we will have for sure a hidden sequential SMT. I'm very curious. We have 1.5 minutes to it to form. Jasniol says you are using the AGFX pivot indicator. No. These are the indicators I'm using. No, I'm not. AGFX pivot. Oh, you mean these lines? This is the SMC toolkit from the trading floor. No hidden sequential SMT. We are still having an SMT with Dow Jones, of course. No sequential SMT between ES and NQ. But what I'm seeing, I love, because we are retesting, of course, Jasniol, these levels are marked from SFC toolkit. These other levels is what I have drawn with my hand. These are manual. Perfect retracement. Perfect. As we expected to see. I love it. Let's monitor also the three indices so we can have them in our eye, in our notice. How can I say it? Tell me your news. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, enable all notifications. You can't imagine how much you are helping our try to make TTF even more bigger. Trust me, if the whole world knew how much supportive community TTF is, trust me, Discord would ban TTF for so many members. I'm sure about that. I'm sure about that. AGFX. Now you put me into what is AGFX. AG. The watermark. Yes, yes. This, yes. This is the watermark. Yes. This is what I'm using. Yes. To draw my name at the downside. I have two of them. One, I used to put a phrase upon here, and the lower one is where I mark my name. I'm waiting patiently to see the offer for Black Friday to buy again my premium subscription. Okay, I like this. I like this. I won't lie to you. I'm waiting like a hawk to see price go down. Of course, don't forget, my beloved friends. Don't forget, everything that we are saying over here is for educational purposes only, and is my personal opinion. Any trading decision that anyone makes, of course, is their own responsibility. Lol, me too. Yes, Ashley. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Now all the ICT traders are happy. Yes, we are having a Judas swing. 12 o'clock. Here is the daily open. The true daily open. The true daily open, of course, is the midnight price of New York. New York, not the 6 p.m. candle. And let's check how, of course, the daily candle looks like. Huge wick currently. You see price manipulated from here. This was the Judas swing based on the teachings of ICT. This move was the manipulation, and what we have since then, distribution. Of course, this can change. You see, price is sky highing. We are not playing gods. The only thing that we try to do is to truly understand what we are seeing. Let's take a look also in the daily time frame. Okay, took this low. Let's erase this one. Okay. Look, price took the liquidity, seeing to have a rejection. We can say that price is in this look, in this bullish order block or this daily demand. This rejection indicates something like this. We are monitoring price. We were going to be careful. What I'm waiting to see, of course, price react from there. Look, please, with your own eyes. That's why I love doing these live trading sessions, because we are looking at stuff all together. Where is price reacting from? The London DR. Remember what I have told to everyone, especially you guys that have been following me privately in TTF. Areas where price makes decisions. Only seeing price having a small reaction means that it made a decision. We can't predict where it will go, but we are seeing that it has made a decision in this area and executing the orders. So important also. Hit the like button, my friends, if you want to support, of course, support us even more. As I have said multiple times, it helps us so much in what we are trying to do here in TTF. It means a lot. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button, of course. I know that you are supporting us so much all the time, and we are so thankful for you guys. I mean this, but we need a little help more. Yesterday we analyzed really nice the earn as you learn, trades. I told you the levels that I was looking at. I hope that you found value. I'm talking, of course, to the members of TTF and whoever, of course, wants to learn what we talked about. Don't forget, link in the description, trdfloor.com, trdfloor.com, trdfloor.com. Let me fix a little bit Fractal Frenzy so it doesn't show up above the 5 minutes. Yes, perfect. So when I change time frames, I don't have to enable it all the time or disable it. Okay, price is pulling back heavily, as we are seeing. We are now again being patient. We are again being patient, waiting to see price to react. Okay. How is everyone's day? Please. So curious to see how your plans are. Come on, price react. Happy Friday. Yes, indeed. Happy Friday. Hey, Mary. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. Nice to see you. I hope that you are doing very, very well, my friend. Nice to see you. But a great day and week of trading started on red but ended in green. I'm so happy for you, Pat. I'm so happy and I mean it. Well done, well done. So proud, really. So proud of all of you. You are, I couldn't imagine how many good traders we have here in TTF. Seeing it every day in the Profit League testimonies, how many successful trades, and all of these trades, my friends, are from you. Whoever, of course, wants to join us, be part of this, because I believe that we are creating in TTF, we are creating truly good traders. Ashley says it is tapping into a 4-hour imbalance right now as well. Four-hour imbalance. Where? I can't see it. Oh, here. Yes. This has broken, although. This is not valid. I can't see it. Sorry. Maybe. You mean this one over here? This inverted 4-hour. This huge rejection is tricky. It's tricky. I won't lie to you. I'm quite afraid. And this 4-hour candle is now being to form. This is a rejection candle. We must be careful on shorts now. And I mean this. Although, based on the theory of the weak feeling, we can also see price coming down. Where is it? Yes, it can be tricky. 4 more minutes for the candle to form. Look, it is a dodgy 4-hour going towards the upside. We must be very, very careful, everyone. This indicates us this indicates us reversal. The ICT traders were correct today if they took these longs. If they took these longs, they are right. If they took these longs, they are for sure right today. Any ICT traders, pure ICT traders over here, they are right today. Look what the reversal market did. It sometimes you can't believe your eyes on NQ. Really, it pulled back 340 points almost. It's crazy. It's crazy. And I mean this. It's crazy. That's why we love NQ, although. That's why we love it. Yes, pure doji. Pure doji. As I said, price, this 4-hour candle needs exactly 3 minutes, 2.5. So we will set, we might, why have I marked this? We will probably see a pullback towards the equilibrium of the week, and then we will see even more continuation. I can't find something, maybe this, but here it broke. It's not valid. Oh, 2 minutes. Okay. Yes, 1.5. This is what I'm looking at. We must be careful, although I don't like this 4-hour rejection candle. I'm more from just reading price action. I won't lie to you guys. I'm more bullish from what I'm seeing. What is your opinion? I would like to. Oh, okay. The 4-hour balance I refer to is what is two is what is forming right now. Okay, okay. I only look I personally only look on the formed ones. So I don't want to create any hypothesis. You understand what I mean? Because we are theoretically creating an imbalance. If I'm clear, okay? You mean this small one up here in 2 minutes? Yes, yes. And the 4-hour candle formed. This red line is the equilibrium of the wick. Let me make it more closer so we can see. Okay. Weird stuff going around today on NQ, we must admit. I'm not so sure. I wasn't so sure that, of course, this bullish order block would hold with what I'm seeing from the morning. But as we are seeing, it is doing its job for now. We must be careful at the equilibrium of this wick. No indication on taking a trade. I'm very confused now. I won't lie to you guys. I can't trust taking the shorts. What is your opinion? I told to all of you my opinion. I'm quite confused currently. I don't trust anything. I won't lie to you. Of course, their idea is clear. No doubt about that. But what I'm seeing now and this 4-hour candle really, really concerns me. I won't be surprised if I see price come down to the equilibrium of the week and then go down, go up. What should we do? What is your opinion? What is your opinion, my friends? Whoever likes what we are doing over here, of course, don't forget, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed to the Trading Floors channel, hit the subscribe button, enable all notifications, and whoever, of course, wants to join our amazing community that is not a member, of course, of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com, the #1 supportive community around the trading space. Around the trading space. Ken says my bias as of right now is bearish, but that hard pullback makes me pause. Yes, me too, Ken. I won't lie to you, mate. I won't lie to you. This 4-hour candle, my friend, is huge, huge, huge. Huge liquidity grab of this low, forming this market maker model over here, this triangle. I won't be surprised if it wants to go and take these highs. So confused. Based on the R, of course, it is clear. We are bearish. It is clear. But. Pat says on the 15-minute chart, RSI is too far away from the SMA EMA. It will go back down for now, but I don't know if it will bounce back up. There's a nice support on 24,565. Amazing analysis, Pat. Amazing. Pandora's box says, honestly, market being weird, not just this one after shutdown ended, but probably seems bearish to me too. I can't look from another prism the markets. It is of course bearish clearly, but this 4-hour candle indicates a reversal. I can't lie to you guys that I'm thinking a lot about longing. Longing when, although, if price comes down and I see a rejection, a consolidation of the 50% of the week, and then take a continuation up. Of course, based on of course clear price action now. No concepts, nothing, and I mean this. No concepts. And this is the kind of candles that anyone that is trading PA, price action, must look at and go down to the 15-minute, for example, and take a really nice fib entry, for example. If I draw a fib, look, alignment. The golden zone is exactly at the 50% of the week of the 4-hour week. Really nice idea, trade idea to take a really nice continuation. Why? Because this indicates a reversal. This 4-hour candle. Ashley says there is a lot of resistance in this area. I think that if there is going to be bearish move, it might have to be a quick scalp. With the week that formed earlier, I feel as though it may be a bullish day followed by consolidation. Yes, I have the exact same feeling, my friend Ashley. I'm thinking very, very. Uh, I'm thinking a lot to go long. Look where price broke, retest the London DR level. How much stuff in 1 PA? Look, broke, up, retested, up. Should we take this trade? What should we do? What should we do, ladies and gentlemen? What should we do? I believe price will pull back deeper. I'm not taking it. I'm not taking it. I wait a little bit, price to pull back a little bit. Ken says you guys are right. I'm changing my bias to long. Well, that 4 hour candle completely changed my mind, my friends. That's why it is so important to always check the higher time frames. As I said, the ideal scenario would be price to pull back over here and here. Whoop. Sorry. Sorry about that. This would be the ideal scenario. I would like to see price to come back. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ken. Thank you. Ashley says I'm not game too long. I'm not game too long yet. It keeps rejecting this 5 minute J zone. Oh, I forgot the J zones. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Wow. What are these zones doing again? Really? Really? Yeah. What's going on? What is going on? Sorry for these bad noises. Okay. Are we going to find a point today for Profit League? Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Oh yeah, thank you. That something is probably annoying me. Perfecto. Allergic to price action, yes. From what I'm seeing, I'm sure allergic. That's for sure, Mr. Ken. That's sure, my friend, for sure. Okay. Interesting stuff. Uh, I would like to long. I won't lie to you guys now. I'm not trusting that price did not pull back to the 50% of the week. I can't. Oh, sorry. I can't trust what I am seeing. Mm, okay. Let's do what Christy would do over here. She would draw a box, a red box, Let's make it green. Or blue. No blue. The backside is also blue. Let's make it yellow. And she would wait to see a breakout from it. Of course, we can't forget that price is also in this 1 hour inverted fair value gap. The order flow is still bearish. Oh yeah, pink. Yeah, you're right. You're right, Chris. Yeah, you're right, Ashley. You're right. Pink. You're right. Full pink. Full pink. The Jasons are doing their job again, as we are all witnesses. This is what Christie does all the time and makes money. Which case I have on Happy Trail? Case 3. Yes. We should refer to these as Christie zones. Yeah, the Christie zone. It's for sure a Christie zone. Especially if we see a meltdown. If we see price melt, go down, this will for sure be a Christie zone. Well, Christie was using an indicator for this. The consolidation live, consolidation zones live. Consolidation. Yes, this one from Lonson. Now it didn't mark as a consolidation for some reason. I can't remember if he had any settings. I can't remember the settings he was using. But I remember she was using. But the best thing is to mark all of this, of course, live and trust your eyes. Learn to trust your eyes. This could be a really nice trade. This was the breakout. Let's see if we could get a 1.5 over here. Just taking. Oh, it was default. Okay. Just taking this simple breakout from this simple consolidation zone. This is, of course, only for educational purposes. Learning the Queen's trading strategy. The Queen's trading strategy. Huge bearish Kekenasi doji on the 5-minute. It might drip down. Okay. Interesting information. Price is currently playing with us, not doing anything. On the CFD chart, it does mark the same area up as a consolidation. Oh, yes. Okay. On futures, he didn't do a really good job. Okay, we would for sure get rigged. Don't forget, my friends, if you are enjoying the live stream, please, my friends, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, enable all notifications. And of course, if you are not members of TTF and if you'd like to do many of these kind of sessions almost every day, of course, most of them are in private. Link in the description, trdfloor.com. it would be a loser, of course. She has a magical way that does things we are not able to copy them for some reason. When we try to copy her, we get murdered from the markets. We are getting murdered. What is she doing? What she does? The volume candles are also very, very, very important. From Jay, our friend Jay. Here it broke the J zone. Maybe if we saw this break and retest to go. The PA toolkit doesn't draw the midnight. It draws the true daily open. Okay. It's going up, my friends. It's going up. In order to survive this, we should have a huge stop loss. What a reversal day is this? What a reversal day is this? Look how the true daily candle looks like. Look, we can't go against this, my friends. We can't go against this. That's why it is so important to understand PA. Hello, Maxi, my friend. Hello. How are you? Nice to see you, mate. How are you? Nice to see you. Ashley says, I like to turn on Keltner channels from time to time. Based on that, it does look as though it may reverse bearish shortly. Okay. There is also a bearish divergence. Okay. On the RSI or SMT. Yes, on YM we have a clear indication that price wants to go lower, of course. Abdul says, don't you think that since we had a double top and we have a big gap down that our buyer should be short and take a sell order? Look, Abdul, I'm not a believer of double tops and double bottoms. First of all, for me, double tops and double bottoms are liquidity areas. First, I would like to begin from that. Based on the concepts and based, of course, on what I teach on how we establish order flow, we are clearly bearish. But we are clearly bearish. Why? Price is respecting bearish PDRAs. Please go and check when you have time how I establish my order flow. But the thing that concerns us, look by yourself, is this huge 4-hour wick candle. Okay. And look where price reacted exactly at the 0.25. Okay. Look, this huge wick. These kind of types of candles indicate a reversal, my friend. So all my biases are almost destroyed. Why? Because of that reversal candle. I'm using common sense. All my concepts say bearish. DRIDR says bearish expansion model. Order flow says bearish also. We are respecting the bearish PD arrays. Everything indicates shorts, but I'm trusting my eyes and seeing this huge reversal candle. Maxi says this week has been slow. I loved my higher time frame or daily analysis, but no trades for me so far. All based on rules. So perfect. Perfect. I'm happy that you followed your rules, Maxi, and I mean this. It's really important. And also that you are right on your analysis. Also very, very important, my friend. Oh, stochastic RSI, you mean? Okay. Stochastic RSI. The divergence on the stochastic RSI. Good evening, Tyler. Nice to see you, mate. Nice to see you. Maxi says, I personally wouldn't try to fight this move higher. Very clear AMD and previous weekly low was taking out prior to that. I am not so sure, to be. For me, yes. Everything showed from it from the beginning that we are bearish, clearly. That's why my plan was price to come here in this 1 hour inverted fair value gap and then take a really nice continuation down. But this 4 hour candle has changed my whole idea about price. And if we are going to print again a signal, I'm going to take it towards the AZ and DR. We bring it closer so everyone can see what they are. Abdul says, by the way, does it usually mean a reversal if we have a candle with a large wick? Sorry if the question is humble. I'm just a complete beginner. Oh, no worries, my friend. This is why I'm over here. Yes, when candles have a huge wick and a small body, it indicates a reversal. Yes. It indicates a reversal. It indicates a reversal. It is if you go and the bear has pinned somewhere all the candle formations. This candle is named Morning Star, if I remember well, and it indicates a reversal. Ken says, if I get a bullish happy tail signal on the 1 minute, I'll go for long. Be patient a little bit. I don't like the consolidation at this area. It's quite tricky. Maybe the order flow wins. And because we didn't break this 1 hour inverted fair value gap, it might want to go lower. Let's be patient a little bit. Maxi says the best trades this week were in the PM session, which I don't trade. Monday and Tuesday were crappy due to news, so I didn't do anything. I agree. Abdul says, is there a logic behind it? Well, of course there is a logic. I will advise you to go and go to Discord, of course. Go at live recordings and you will see, press upon it and you will see my name, Alex. Press upon it, it will redirect you to a YouTube playlist. Over there, you will find at the end, the down of the list, you will find PA 2025 strategy from me. Okay. In the first or the second video, I talk about the power of 3. What is the power of 3? My friend, the power of 3 is how a candle forms. What does each candle forms? What every candle shows to us. If you don't understand the phrase, the open high, the phrase power of 3, the most common concept, we call it, is the open, high, low close, or open, low, high close. Okay, so every candle has an opening price, we have a manipulation, we have a distribution inside it. That's why it has a logic that shows us that it price was pushed hard from the sellers, but the buyers came, stepped inside the market and pushed the market up again. So this means that we have indication that maybe the buyers have took control of price and they might want to send it even higher. That's what it truly means. Oh, the pin bars. Yes, me too. I want to see a 1 minute liquidity grab and then I'm interest in longs. Okay. I'm with you. I want to see also, as I said previously, if I see over here, I will take it. I will take it for sure. I agree. I'm biased, bullish and bearish. Yes. Yes, I'm going to take this. I'm going to take this. If the print remains, let me check about stop losses. 80 points. Let's do 4 micros. Big stop loss, 3 micros. What is it doing now? It's kidding with me. Yes. I can't take this stop loss. It's too big. Okay. Open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close. If we just get focused on that, AMD, this is massive. This massive focusing on this alone is enough. Some people are doing nothing else. Yes, it's so powerful. Still don't love it. If it's another no trade, it's fine for me as well. Come on, pull back a little bit so we can take it. I wanted to revisit this area. I can't handle if it leaves again without me. Also, the R is forming, so we will probably have a bullish confirmation. God damn it. I'm going to wait for a pullback. I can't take this trade on futures. So big stop loss. I can't take this. The only reason I'm not taking it is because of the big stop loss. I want price at least to revisit this area over here, what I have marked. Don't forget, my friends, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Enable all notifications. Of course, whoever wants to be member and is not part of TTF, link in the description, trdfloor.com. It will be our pleasure to have you all in our community. Don't forget the huge opportunity you have participating in the Earn As You Learn program. Also, we are in the middle of Profit League, a huge proof of what we are doing here in TTF, how many very good traders we have over here, and how important it is to be around all these good traders. Because you being with all of these good traders, the only thing you can gain is knowledge, nothing else. Different styles. Oh, come on, please pull back a little bit. What are you doing? Pull back a little bit. I'm going to put a limit order. 85 points. It's still big stop loss, but I can't do anything about it. I want to be safe, covering, of course, this bullish order block. And my take profit will be, of course, exactly at the Asian DR. Okay, we are in. We took the trade. Huge stop loss. Okay, this is where I'm going to take profit, 1.6. Exactly at the Asian DR. Let's go. Wish me good luck, my friends. Wish me good luck. Price, of course, reacted very nicely from this fair value gap. Let's see what will happen. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see what will happen. Let's see what will happen. It's looking good. What a reversal day, my friends. What a reversal day. Fridays are crazy. Are crazy. Are crazy. It doesn't show on the screen. What time frame are you in? I believe that you're not looking upside over here. It is showing the 1 minute, my beloved friend. Look up here. Do you see my mouse up here? Let me draw it. Okay, I'm in the 1 minute, my friend. Amazing trade, my friend. I'm in as well with a much tighter stop, but it's looking great. Yes, good luck also, Maxi. I liked it also. It is what I say all the time. We don't have to catch the low or the high of the day. We can take really nice continuations, understanding what price is truly doing and trying to fix the puzzle altogether. Abdul says, yes, sorry, my bad. It just says one, so I don't think it was that. Okay, don't worry, my friend. Thank you, my friend. Thank you. I hope it plays out, really. As I said, my friend Abdul, this is the reason why we are doing these live streams. We are here to help you all, from the most beginners to the most experienced, to be able to see what we are seeing and gain experience from all of this. Yes, as long as it's based on rules, continuations are absolutely amazing. I'm focusing on this more and more as well. Well, trying to, I have talked about many times, especially with you, and when we met, of course, Maxi. I admire the traders that are able to guess the high of the low of the day or predict where the markets will go, but no one of them shows us how many times they lost before they catched it. I love the theory of using certain numbers and all of this kind of shit, but trust me, there is a law, I can't remember from whom, that when you put in your mind certain numbers, you see them all the time. It's something like that. If I do all the time the mathematical sum, yes, I will everywhere see number 3. And when it doesn't add completely, I will fix it and make it show like it is a 3 or a 6 or a 9 or whatever it is. It's the most easy thing to do. Now, there is a theory, although, that I have never shared with everyone, that is based on the Tesla's numbers, and it is the Goldbach sequence. There is a guy out there I must shout out because his work he has done is amazing. I haven't had the time to deep dive in his concepts. I have read, although, his book. His name is Hopi Plaka. He has done an amazing work on how he uses the Goldbach levers that are based on the Tesla numbers, but the whole Goldbach concept is based on mathematics. No mumbo jumbo, no guessing, pure mathematics. Okay, pure mathematics. Okay, let's mark 85 points for our break even. 85 points. This is exactly 84.75. Oh. 84.75. Break even level. And it's looking good, Mr. Maxi. It's looking very good. Dun, 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 dun. It's pushing real good. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, my friends. Push it, please. Push. Make it please a no cost trade. First step in all of my trades, or of course to make it a no risk trade. It's very important for my psychology. And after that, yes, I will enjoy, of course, the profits. The first thing is that I will protect my balance. It's really, really important for me. And yes, break even. Perfect. No risk on the trade. Let's go. Let's go, my friends. Looking pretty decent so far. If we hit London high 25 or 121, it's a nice 3.8 hour trade for me and an amazing Friday for you as well, my friend. It is amazing, first of all, because I'm here with all of you, my friends, trading all together. This is the most enjoyable thing that I'm doing. And I mean this. I love what we are doing over here. I believe that everyone is getting value from it, from the experience to the most beginners. And that's why you give me the strength to continue doing this all the time. Good luck, Mr. Ken. He's also long at 6744.25 on ES, of course. Good luck, my friend. Good luck. I hope it plays out. Now I'm on a risk-free trade. Risk-free. 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 Let's see. We couldn't go, my friends, against this 4-hour candle. And look again where price reacted exactly to the 0.25 quadrant. Look, we couldn't go against simple PA. No concepts, no order flow, nothing. Reading exactly what price was giving us. Reading exactly what price was giving us. So important. Me too, risking very little right now because I was able to reduce my stop loss size. Okay, perfect. Good luck, Maxi. I hope it plays out. Ashley, I'm also long with TP at 25, 110, and 50. Let's go, my friends. Let's go. We must see some TPs hitting. Let's go. What number is that at 0.25? It is 24,864. Okay, my friend Pat. Simple PA and candle reading. And this is the answer why I'm going, of course, against Asia. Okay, please, I can't handle the question why I'm going against the Asia. I explained it at least 10 times. But closest to the support I was looking at. Okay. Its concept is okay. We are all reading, as I have said multiple times, we are all reading the exact same thing, but with different, of course, terminologies and concepts. This is the reality. All the stuff is the same, and I mean this. All the concepts, everything at the end of the day is trying to explain PA. We are all explaining price action with different terminologies. And push it, please. I need to have a really nice weekend in front of me, please. And I want my friends also to have a nice weekend. We are very close to Ashley's TP. 1.6 hours secure now. Well done, Maxi. Well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. Well done. What a reversal day. 1.8 actually. Perfect. Perfect. And now it's pushing. It's going for take profit. Let's go. Push it, guys. Let's do it. This is how we do it in TTF in front of everyone, my friends. 100% transparency in front of you, explaining what we thought, how we did it, and what using the amazing indicators from TTF. This is how we do it, mates. This is how we do it. Amazing stuff. This is how we do it. Come on, push it a little bit more. Come on. It's going to fly. Come on. Fly, please. Fly for my friends. Fly for me. Ashley, just hit take profit. Just hit take profit. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Yes, Ashley passed the trading combine, my friends. Passed the trading combine. Congratulations. Yes, yes. And take profit for me also. Yes. So happy. Yes, my friends, we did it. We did it. Yes, my friends. Yes. Congratulations, Ashley. Congratulations. Congratulations for everyone. Congratulations. Congratulations. Amazing, amazing. Whoa, Ken also TP. We nailed it, my friends. This is how we do it, my friends. All together. Congratulations. Congratulations. Please, editor, make a copy. We must inform the editor of what we did all together. And look how is it flying. Well done. Well done. Congratulations to everyone. Congratulations. Congratulations to everyone. To everyone. Amazing day. Amazing. Amazing, amazing. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Well done. And we are even more happy for our friend Ashley that passed the trading combine. Amazing, amazing. Congratulations to everyone. Please, now that we are going towards the end of the stream, the homework that everyone must have ending this stream is how did we manage to get here? What did we do step by step? Please try to understand what we really did. We trusted our eyes. This is what we did all together. We trusted our eyes. All the concepts told us to go short from DR, from order flow, from ICT, from everyone. All the concepts indicated us to go low. But being able to look at the higher time frame, what did we do? We checked, we changed our bias at the correct time, and we trusted our eyes. And Maxi trusted his plan. Atanasov, great. I don't have time to observe it and take action. Congratulations to everyone. Take it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Atanasov. Thank you so much. It was a really nice trade. A really nice execution from everyone. I'm so proud. I mean this. Everyone did such a good job. Tyler, nice job, everyone. Welcome. You're welcome, my friend. Thank you so much. Thank you. I mean this. And look how the 4 hour is forming. What can I say? We spotted this immediately. Of course, this in 10 minutes is not going to be, it's going to be vanished. And of course, for the new week that is coming, our drone liquidity will be up here, my friends. Forming what? Remember, reforming a triangle. Or how my friend Maxi would love to say, a market maker model. Have a great weekend, everyone. Have to go. Thank you so much for joining, Linda. Have a great weekend. You also. Have a great weekend also. What an amazing day. Congratulations, Ashley, and I mean this. Congratulations. I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy. Really nice trading with you all. Yes, it's amazing. We have said multiple times how lonely trading can be, but now it's not lonely anymore. We are all over here to trade all together. Our plans, of course, is to make this as often we can, but you understand that we have, of course, other stuff doing all the time. That's why we will try even more live streamers to come up live. Even we have great plans for the future. I don't want to spoil what is going to happen. We have huge plans. I'm so happy, first of all, that everyone is finding value. Whoever wants to be, of course, part of our community. Link in the description, trdfloor.com, the most supportive community, trading community out there. Don't forget, we, of course, have thousands of hours of education around concepts. All the concepts that you see around the internet, we have them in TTF. Of course, an amazing package of indicators that we have really nice combined with some concepts, and we have made them even more lethal and even more higher strike rate. We can't forget the Earn As You Learn program, the huge opportunity that Earn As You Learn can give us to earn even more profits when we are in our education curve. Of course, Profit League is now in the middle of it. Huge, amazing stuff. So many profitable days from many traders. You can have access to all of them. Don't forget trdfloor.com. Whoever didn't hit the like button, please hit the like button. It helps us to make TTF even more bigger. And editor, please don't forget to make this trade viral. We must make this success viral, my friends. What do you think about it? We must make it viral. So, I'm going to end the stream. I really enjoyed today. I'm so happy. I will have an amazing weekend. Rest of the I'm going to have an amazing weekend. Please, my friends, don't forget to spend time with the ones that you love. It is so important that we must create memories, because the reason that we are trading is to create even more memories, not to all the time stay focused on the charts. They will always be there for us, and I mean this. Something else that I would like to say for an advice now that we're closing the stream. You must understand something. Most of the trading strategies out there are profitable. The only trading strategy that is not profitable is our own self. If we are not able to follow rules, or we don't learn to accept a loss, unfortunately, my friends, we will never be successful in trading. Revenge trading is one of the worst habits that traders have. And something that I would like to say also is that the reason that I'm sitting in this chair and talking to all of you is because I'm able to handle my losing days better than you guys. I'm not something different than you. We are all the same. We are all doing the same things every day. The difference we have is that I accept my losses even better than you guys. Don't believe that you're not good traders. Don't fall for the biggest mistake that the industry has given to us now. You are all able to make it even if you're not passing your challenges. Keep your data. Please trust your journal, trust yourself, and learn yourself to accept losses. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy for everyone. Congratulations one more time, Ashley, Ken, Maxi, everyone that was able to profit upon this trade. Really, I'm so happy for all of you, my friends. Keep up the hard work. Don't forget, create memories with the ones you love. The charts will always, always be there for us. Pat says, facts, I'm working very hard on the reverse trade. I now will lower my lot size and give myself better breathing room. Huge discussion, Pat. Everyone knows the best for themselves. The most important is to be able to understand when we are wrong and when we are lucky. Ashley, just keep going, taking accountability. We can all get there. Exactly. Please, my friends, create moments. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for joining. See you next week. I will live stream publicly on Monday for YouTube. See you all on Monday. Thank you so much, my friends. Thank you. Thank you so much. Enjoy the weekend. Bye bye. Thank you.